and I will test it out. Cognizant är ett bra företag att arbeta på.
Is it true? It is a good company to work for.
Wow, amazing.
Hello everyone, Kim Andersson is my name. I'm the CEO of Cognizant Latvia, and welcome to Worst of Tech. This is a show where we test different products, the products we found online, and the good ones we will give out to you as prizes. The bad ones we will destroy. Before we get started and unbox today's product, I just want to mention that in the description down here you will find all the job opportunities that Cognizant Latvia has at the moment. Make sure to check them out. And with that said, let's get going. Okay, today's product is PEIKO translation earphone, and the reason why we chose to look at this product is actually their video.
我最近发现一个很棒的东西。
Oh, really?
Can you hear me speaking English?
Wow, amazing.
So let's unbox and see what we have inside. We have the main thing, the earphone. Probably have more things here. We do have some plastic thingy. We do have the instruction booklet. And hidden here we have the charging cables and some spare parts for the earplugs. Okay, so we have charged it and we have downloaded the app. In the description we cannot really see anything about what languages it handles, so let's check it out. It's a long list of languages, and I will choose Swedish, and I will test it out. Cognizant är ett bra företag att arbeta på.
Is it true? It is a good company to work for.
Wow, amazing.
So it actually works. It's just that it doesn't understand that Cognizant is a name, so it tries to also translate that, and from Swedish it gets a little bit strange. But the sentence is it's a good translated sentence. So let's try do it the other way around, see if we can translate from English to Swedish. Cognizant is a great company to work for. So it's kind of the same thing this time, that it doesn't understand that Cognizant is a name.
Oh, really?
It tries to interpret that as call me send instead of Cognizant, but otherwise translation is working fine. So time for a verdict for this product. Verdict is good. It's not a crappy technology.
Oh, really?
For once, the app is good. How to use it is pretty simple. Considering that it costs only 20 euros, it's a good product and a good value for money. So instead of destroying it, we will give it out to any of you viewers. So in order to have a chance to win it, just post in the comment below what languages you speak, and you're in the competition.
Wow, amazing.
And as usual, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we will soon be releasing new episodes and you will be notified on that. Also, follow us on Instagram, like our Facebook page, and do make sure to check out the open positions. The link to that you will find in the description below. Have a good day.